Okay, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir, I'm comfortable.
Okay, let me begin your test today. I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. What's your full name?
My full name is Amandeep Kaur and you call me Mahi.
Okay. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, of
Show me
course.
first and last page of the passport, please. Fine, 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 fine.
And this is last page.
Okay, thank you so much. So, do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student and I have done my graduation from Chandigarh and now I'm go to abroad and settle there and start my own business and get a higher education and then start my own business.
Okay, what do you like about your study?
Actually, I like mostly more subjects like math, Hindi, English. But my favorite subject is art. Art is just strengthens focus and increase my eye coordination. And when I sit with alone, then I imagine with my mind and draw a picture on a white paper. And this is the best opportunity for me. And art is a various types of arts present in the nature, and this is the best.
Okay, and what you don't like about your study?
I don't like my study when I open math book. I don't math, but math is a compulsory subject, so I don't want to leave this subject. But when I solve this question related to this math, then I fed up my mood. But I don't want to leave this subject, but because this is very necessary.
Okay, what are the activities you enjoy doing with your family?
Actually, there are many activities I enjoy with my family, but like dancing, playing with children, and cooking. But mostly, I like enjoy with watching TV with my family, and this is a good way to keep this idea. And interactive includes watching a films with a controversial message, and discussing it afterwards. So it is a good for me and also good for children. They learn more about things.
Okay. So how has family and relationship in the family changed in the recent years?
In the past century, people live together and they live in a joint family and they discuss about views, thoughts, ideas and gossip. So relationship bonding improved day by day. But nowadays, people live in a nuclear family, so bonding strengthens power is decreased by day. So there are no time to spend with each family members. So it is a very harmful for us, and because there are no time spent with actually if we get more time to spend with each family, then the bonding relationship will improve.
Okay, this is time for your cue card.
Okay.
And topic for your cue card is talk about a popular tradition or custom you like to keep up. Okay. And there are some questions like name of the custom or tradition, when do you practice it, and what kind of activities do you do and why. So this is your question, and I'll give you page also. Okay. You can note down your idea. I'll give 1 minute. This is pen you can use over there. Keep it with you, please. And your time for the topic starts now. Oh, you can keep it with you, please. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Your time's up. Start, please.
Okay, now start.
Please.
India is a rich country and with a cultural values, and it is diverse in terms of language, food habits, dress at the core, and it is all united. And there are many traditions, Indian traditions, which are followed by Indian people in the different parts of the country. But today I would like to talk about a tradition in which is famous, most famous in especially in North India, and this tradition is called a Karwa Chauth, and it is actually a woman keep up fast from moonrise to sunrise for their safety or for the safety and longevity for their husband, and it is mainly a Hindu tradition. But today nowadays some different religions women are also celebrated this festival and this tradition, and women and my first day when I do this Karwa Chauth, my experience is not good because and I don't have any knowledge about this tradition, and I love eating food and all day I'm hungry, so it is very difficult to me. So my first experience is little bit good, not good. And on the day I buy some new clothes, adornment, jewelry, shopping, and other prayer items. And on the day, women at the night dress up and the prayer with a long husband, and the moon in the backdrop. After this day, they break their fast. Nowadays, this tradition is a symbol of love and affection with the husband and wife. So now this time husband is also spotted with a woman, and they keep a fast from wife, and they also very cooperative for this time.
Okay, let me ask you some more questions, please.
Okay, sir.
So why do people carry on these tradition even in modern time?
Actually, according to my perspective, the people carry on the traditions because they want to take their old traditions and custom with upcoming years, and they don't want to leave their traditions and custom. So the people carry on the traditions and custom, also follow these.
Okay, and do the young people in your society also follow these traditions?
Yes, of course. The new blood also follow the traditions and customs as they live there with their elders and old age people. They teach them social, moral, and cultural values, and they are stimulated with the follow and traditions and custom.
Okay, are there people who think these customs are a waste of time and money?
Actually, some people believe that it's just a waste of time and money, but maybe some are not think that it's just a waste of time and money. Who think that who believe in tradition and custom, and they want to relate it to past history, and they want to join the traditions and enjoy the family with together old traditions. So they think that it's just not a waste of time and money, and they also want to learn their children and follow the rules and regulations of traditions and custom.
Okay, and last question for today, and that is, do you think future generation will carry on these customs and traditions?
I think tradition represent is a critical piece of a culture. So upcoming generation will also follow the traditions and custom, and tradition and custom also help us to foundations of our society and our shape of and related to the past history. So upcoming generation will believe in this tradition and custom because this is very necessary for our young people and generation, and they don't want to think that this is a waste of our us, and they join us and celebrate every tradition and custom.
Okay, this is the end of your test. Thank you so much. Okay, after listening the whole audio of the candidate named Amandeep Kaur, I would like to say that she needs to work for relevant ideas, lexical resource, sentence making, pronunciation is more or less understandable. Again, she'd better practice more to achieve eligible score to move abroad. And she understood question though, but could not elaborate answer effectively. So I am going to give her the band 5. Thank you.